This is something a lot of students do, like exercise behind the chapter, and this is a very important step, especially in maths. Stop trying to memorize everything. A simple game plan that actually works. So instead, follow a simple system. Hey beautiful souls, I am Sai, and if you're someone going into 10th and feel confused where to even start, this video is for you. This is not going to be the motivation. This is just a simple game plan that actually works. And honestly, most people lag behind not because they can't study, just because they don't know how to start and stay consistent. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing is understanding. Stop trying to memorize everything. I know it feels like you have to remember everything, but that's not how it works. Especially in the subjects like science or maths, if you don't understand the concept properly, you will forget it again and again. And then you will feel like, I'm not good at it. But the truth is, you just didn't understand the concept at the first. So instead of rushing, take a little more time to actually understand the concept you're studying. Watch a lecture, read slowly, ask yourself if it makes sense. Because once you understand the concept, revision becomes much easier. Second step, simple system. So don't study randomly. This is something a lot of students do. They just open a book, read something, then switch to another chapter. And at the end of the day, nothing really makes sense. So instead, follow a simple system. First, understand the chapter, then revise it once, and then solve the questions from that chapter. This step is very important. You need to solve the questions from the chapter, like exercise behind the chapter, and this is a very important step, especially in maths. Because solving is what actually shows you whether you understood the concept or not. So, you don't need complicated timetables. You just need a simple flow that actually works. Step 3. Consistency. Don't focus on studying for long hours daily. Instead, focus on showing up every day. Because what usually happens is you study a lot one day and then you feel tired or lazy for the next 2 to 3 days. And the cycle continues. Instead, keep it simple. Even if you study for 2 to 3 hours daily, that is much more powerful. Consistency is what actually builds your confidence over time. Fourth, resources. Use resources that actually help you understand better. For me, online classes helped a lot because they gave me direction and structure, and sometimes they were even ahead of my school. So I already had the idea of the topic. But one thing I realized is just watching a lecture is not enough. You might feel productive while watching, but real learning happens when you actually sit and study. Use resources smartly, but don't completely depend on them. Step 5. Revision. Revise in a way that actually works for you. Just don't read the chapter again and again just because you think that I know this. But when you actually try to write it or answer the questions, you're blank. Instead, write, solve, and test yourself. Even small things like answering the questions, writing the questions, solving questions make a big difference. This is what actually makes things stay in your mind. And one last thing, no strategy works if you don't follow it. You might watch 100 lectures on how to do that, how to do this, but at last, you don't follow anything. You don't need perfect plans, but you just need to be little consistent. So, don't overcomplicate your 10th. Just keep it simple and study regularly. That's more than enough. If you want more such videos, and also if you want to know my class 10 results, don't forget to subscribe so you will get notified. Bye bye, thank you.